I was 360 pounds. I was 360 pounds when I met you guys, and you said you had something that could help me. I just went through getting the gallbladder removed, and then we hadn't spoken for a while, and then last time you called me once again, you saved the day because I was thinking about doing gastric bypass surgery, and you was like, nope, you was like, don't do that. And you stopped me from doing that. You was like, I have a natural way for you to do it. It was like you told me, you said you just have to be patient, because with the gastric bypass, that's a fix me right now. But I found out from the doctors that that's dangerous because I have two cousins that I was staying with. Both of them had that done, and both of them are vomiting blood right now. I went from 365 to now 300. That was from most of the herbs that you gave me. What's the one you were saying? The one with the energy?
It was you got the line ready multivitamin and performance.
Yep. I was in the gym 7 days, and I was out doing most of the younger guys that was in the gym.
Give you nutrients, not food, and energy, not sugar, and you had all the nutrients.
I did the cleanse. I got all them parasites because you gave me stuff for parasites and worms. My gut felt better. Mentally, I had clairvoyance. You can't get thrown off like you told me, man. When I had that other surgery, you was like, just don't lose the faith. You got to keep it. And sometimes, you're gonna get thrown some curveballs in life, man. But you just have to know how to keep standing. You have to weather the storm. Because now I'm back with you, and I'm very excited about. Now I'm excited about the liver, kidney, and the spleen cleanse. I have to purchase that.
Now you have your energy. So you know how to deal with the energy. You have the mindset to go to the gym. You're already changing the diet. So you're on the right path. This is long term. How old are you?
I'll be 58 in March.
Got you down 60 pounds naturally. Once you get the arrowroot powder, some sea moss sometimes. But we teach you start making your own coconut milk if you can get real coconut. The more we teach you, the more you stay with your blender. You're down to 300. Goal now is to take you to 250. Let's take another 50 off the natural way once you get back on your feet.
I dealt with a lot of companies. And a lot of it, I'm not knocking nobody. I don't know how they use their stuff, but to me, it's like, they could do better. A lot of those companies could do better.
We have a waiting list, and we call everyone and talk to them and get to know them. You see, because it's not a product, it's an energy. We're not in the product business, we're in the energy business.